Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick English, where we help you excel in English for professional situations. Today, we're tackling a skill that's become essential in today's workplace, virtual meeting vocabulary and strategies in English. I'm your host, Kelly, and I'm here with...
Kyle, that's right. Virtual meetings are part of daily life now, and knowing how to navigate them in English is crucial for clear and professional communication. In this video, we'll share useful phrases for participating in virtual meetings, strategies to handle common challenges, and tips for making a great impression online.
Let's begin with some useful phrases. When starting a meeting, you can say, "Can everyone hear me clearly?" Thank you for joining today's meeting. Let's get started.
And if you're introducing yourself or others, you might say, "Hi, I'm name, and I'll be leading today's discussion." Let's go around and quickly introduce ourselves.
If you need to ask for clarification, try, "Could you repeat that? I didn't catch the last part." Or, "Can you explain that in more detail?"
If you're contributing ideas, you can use phrases like, "I'd like to add that specific idea," or, "From my perspective, opinion."
When agreeing or disagreeing respectfully, you can say, "I completely agree with Name's point about topic." Or, "I see where you're coming from, but I have a slightly different perspective."
And finally, for wrapping up, use phrases like, "To summarize, we've decided to action or decision," or, "Thanks for a productive discussion. Let's follow up on specific task."
Now let's talk about strategies to handle common challenges. Technical issues. If your audio or video isn't working, you can say, "I'm experiencing some technical difficulties. I'll rejoin shortly." Interruptions. Politely interrupt with, "Excuse me, can I add something to that?"
Another challenge is managing time effectively. If the meeting is going off track, you can say, "This is an interesting discussion, but should we get back to the agenda?" Or, "Let's table this topic for now and revisit it later."
Finally, let's discuss tips for making a great impression in virtual meetings. Prepare in advance. Review the agenda and prepare your points. Use proper lighting and sound. Ensure your setup is professional. Engage actively. Nod, smile, and maintain good posture to show attentiveness.
Here's your challenge. Write a short script for introducing yourself in a virtual meeting and share it in the comments. We'll provide feedback.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Quick English, and hit the bell icon for more practical English lessons. See you next time.
Bye.